everyone, my name is Rhonda Robson and welcome to my Fluid Art channel. Today's video is about two things. One, I'm going to show you how I picked my paints out utilizing accents like pillows, and then two, I want to show you how I did this dirty pour. It's a diptych and I just love it because it's got a black background, metallics and gold, and then some green in there as well. So let's get you down the canvas and let me show you exactly how I made this diptych. All right. Thanks for joining me today. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and clicking that notification bell. All right, well, let's get you down on the canvas. Bye for now. Bye. Hi, everyone. Today we are going to be matching some pillows in my bedroom. These are the colors that happen to be in my bedroom. I had a couple paintings on the wall that when I first started Fluid Art, I did a clear coat varnish over the top and it yellowed, so it wasn't clear coat. So what I'd like to do is I'd like to redo them. Plus they were the thinner canvases and I'd really like to do a gallery wrapped canvas. And so I'm going to utilize these pillows as kind of my guide on what I'd like to do. And I think I'm going to end up doing a dirty pour, but it could be a swipe. It could end up being a swipe. So we'll see how that goes. But these are the pillows that I'm going to use in order to get the colors that I need. So today I am using Artist Loft Metallic Cobalt Blue. That's very similar to this green. I am using Artist Loft Metallic White. I am using Deco Art Silver. And then I'm using Artist Loft Metallic Black. This one I need to mix up a little bit more. It looks like it's settled a little bit of gray in there. And then this is the Deco Art 24 karat gold. So those are the colors that I'm planning on using with a background of black. And this happens to be the Artist Loft Flow Acrylic. And I did a 1-to-1 ratio with water. So that's my plan for these two canvases that will be a diptych. So, all right, well, let's get started. Put my pillows off to the side. And I have mixed these already. So I'm going to put my canvases in about how I want them on the wall in case I decide to do something different than a dirty pour. So what I'm planning on doing with the dirty pour is I'm actually going to just pour black over top. Then I'm going to pour these colors into a cup and just kind of go all over the place. So that's my plan. Anyway, we'll see how much fun this is. So let's see, can you see this canvas all the way there? Here, how about if I do that? I think that you can see that better. So, okay. Start with the black. Oh, yeah, I shook this up just before. Doggone it. There's all kinds of bubbles in this one. So, let me just start by torching it. Get some of these bubbles off of there. All right, so What do you think? What do you think I should do? I'm gonna pop these bubbles. I still think I should do a dirty pour, but the dirty pour, I'm going to just take my paint and just put it everywhere. And what I mean by everywhere is just kind of, you know, okay. Now I'm just gonna tilt, and that's it. Kind of cool. Okay, just come back this way. And then one more time. It's kind of cool. I like it. Just something different with fluid art. I haven't done this in a long time, so it'll be interesting to see how I like it. A lot of the gold's coming out, but some of the green isn't. I may have to add some more green to it. Oops, I'm tilting it to a corner instead of side to side. Tilt this way. What do you think? Just gonna let it sit here. Now that this one's sitting, see how all the gold has come up? Wonder if that will happen over here, or if I got enough gold over here. Maybe I should. then I'm just going to bring it back to the center. The one thing I don't see a lot of is the green. So I think I'm going to put green on all of them over top of the gold to bring out more of the green. So yeah. This over here. Oops. Need some more silver. Do this one first. Yeah, that adds a lot more green in there. Not a ton, but enough. So it's hard for you to see it as I'm moving the paint since you guys are on that side. I'll move this back to the center. And I can see the green has like sunk. So, and that's okay. As long as the green is seen. Yeah, well, I like it. Not sure how it'll go in my bedroom. My stuff seems to be a little bit lighter, not with the black, but I wanted to try the black background. So, yeah, I really like this. Well, something different. Just kind of taking paint and putting it on the background and then tilting the canvases. And I just wanted to tilt it from side to side. I didn't want to add anything going this way or just side to side. So these two paintings will go together nicely. Okay, I love it. Thanks for joining me. My heart, upside down heart. I don't know how to do it. There we go. Love it. All right. Bye for now.
Thanks for watching, and if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that way you can get notified when I have a new video up. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.